Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be doing CAT, Computer Application and Technology, Chapter 1, Activity 1.4 and the revision activity. Right. In Activity 1.4, we will be navigating the dynamic intersection of computer application technology, CAT, and future aspirations. Activity revolves around Burness, a budding medical professional who questioned the relevance of CAT to his dream job. This comprehensive overview provides a holistic understanding of the multifaceted relation between CAT and computer career paths, emphasizing its relevance and transformative potential in diverse professional landscapes. Let's go! Bernice is a school learner and he dreams of becoming a doctor when he grows up. Bernice decides that he does not need cat because it's not relevant to his job. A. What job would you like to do in the future? Mention 3 ways cat can prepare you for this job. We can use cat to create and print class tests on a computer. We can use cat to create presentations that can be used to teach learners. Ta-da! I'm doing one. Hehe. And we can do more research on topics before teaching them to the learners. I did it. Name 3 ways in which CAT could improve Bernard's studies life as a university medical learner. He can easily navigate the university's website so that he can get access to resources and information he might need to complete his course. Do research for any projects, thesis, or homework he needs to do. Understanding how to troubleshoot any computer problems he may encounter. Do you think that people in the medical field need to know how to work with computers? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, they do. Because most hospitals are digitalizing their patients' records, meaning a doctor or nurse would need to know how to look up a patient's medical history on a computer. X-rays are stored digitally and viewed on computer screens. Now imagine you have a separate person sitting in that same room using the computer because you don't. How embarrassing as a doctor. Well, not really, but yeah, it is. If you think of it in a way. What type of While taking the tour of one of the best medical universities, Barnes discovered a lot of medical equipments make use of computers. What type of computers are used in medical equipments? Like heart rate monitors. What type of computers are used in medical equipments like heart rate monitors? Oh, type of computers. They are embedded or dedicated computers. 2 reasons why you think a lot of medical equipments make use of computer. Honestly, computers are more accurate than doctors and nurses and are less likely to cause error. And computers can do things way faster than doctors and nurses can. But nurses and doctors are really nice, but they need to know how to use the computer. Do you know of a job that cannot benefit from CAT? If yes, mention it and give a reason for your answer. If no, explain your answer. I wrote both. No, because we live in a digital age and computers are everywhere, literally. And yes, janitors don't need to use CAT to do as their work because they don't use or they don't use any equipments that require computers or complex mechanics. Basic stuff, you can use your hand. They don't need to use computers. Janitors. Right. Now we look at revision activity. This activity will serve as a thorough revision tool, encapsulating all essential concepts covered in Chapter 1, General Concepts of Computing. Right? The question spans a spectrum of topics, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of fundamental principles in computing. For information process cycle to the practical application of information and communication technologies, ICT. The activity aims to reinforce and assess knowledge acquired throughout the chapter. This inclusive approach not only fosters revision but also encourages critical thinking and application of concepts in various scenarios. We will be engaging in multiple choice questions, true and false, matching scenario based questions, are poised to solidify their grasps on the fundamental concepts of computing. And it's a good way for preparing tests, for preparing for tests. Question 1. Which of the following is not an information cycle? Memory. Which of the following can be used for storage? CPU, GPU, ICT, or HDD? HDD, obviously. Which of the following computers are not portable? Laptop, tablet, smartphone, or servers? Servers. Servers. Servers, not service. Which of the following computers can be used to process large amount of data quickly? Mainframe, obviously. Which of the following is not a smart device? ATM, smart light bulb, calculator, or Xbox 360? Calculator. Taking CAT at university level opens many career possibilities. Yes, but false. Because it'll be more helpful if you take CAT at school level than taking CAT at university levels. New businesses can lower their administrative costs by using and centralizing offices. Centralized office. False. New businesses can lower their administrative costs by using virtual offices. Printed statements have been mostly replaced by electronic statements sent via email. True. CAT as a subject teaches us how to use computers so that we can become digitally savvy. True. Networking is a part of communication stage. True. Question 3. A device that connects a computer to other computers in a network is a NIC or NIC. A device with medium process power that uses a USB uh, miniaturized part. E. ATM. A device that stores a large amount of data and processes data with at extremely high processing speed. D. Smartphone. A device that reduces the amount of energy that a household consumes. C. Smart light bulb. Extremely portable device that mainly makes use of mobile technology. D. Smartphone. Huh? Yeah, we can. Yeah, it's right. It's D. Sorry. Briefly explain what happens during the following stages of information: processing stage and storage stage. CPU works with a computer's memory to get instructions on how to display the information from the input device. And B, storage device, stores it as pixels in the computer memory. Then this information is sent to the output device. Compare the functions of input and output device. Well, input devices enter data into a computer. Then it takes the sent input data, and converts it into binary codes, zeros and ones. While output device takes pixels, information or data from processing stage and displays or converts it to a format that can be used by the user. A device that can be used to electronically transfer money. ATM. Relationship between CAT and ICT. CAT skills CAT skills teach people how to use ICTs better. You need to know CAT in order for you to know how to use ICT or be in ICT. Name of a non-portable device that is suitable for creating documents. Desktop. Adam and his family have decided to open a sweet shop called Sweet Company. He knows how and where to get the suppliers for his shop. But his shop starts to grow. But as his shop starts to grow, he decides to start a franchise and opens a second sweet company at a different location. To keep track of both shops, he decides to start integrating ICTs and computers in his business. Excellent choice. Name two computing devices Adam and his employees can use to better run and manage his shop. A reason for your answer. Card swipe machines, obviously. It'll allow customers to pay with credit or debit cards. Then we have desktop computers to give staff access the store's database and get information about the store's suite inventory. Mention three ways ICT can improve the way Adam's sweet shop is running. Not running. Staff members, employees and employers don't need to physically travel from one store to the other to get information from each other. Staff members can keep track of suite products inventory stored at both stores. Staff members can use the internet to communicate with each other easier. Mention two instances where CAT skills can be used to improve running Adam's sweet shop. CAT skills can help staff members understand how to navigate and store online database easier. CAT skills can help staff members to document and check all the store's daily sales on the store's computers. Two reasons why Adam should consider purchasing a UPS for both shops. A UPS is dealt with in chapter 5. This question can be used as an opportunity to reinforce research skills. Frequency of load shedding, power failures, and users may lose their unsafe work. Mm. Sorry. Adam can now work on a flexi time schedule. Explain what it means to work flexi time, meaning not fixed starting or ending time, can work outside of his set office hours, and can work the required hours as it suits him. Awesome! That's it for chapter 1, and see you in the next video where I will be doing chapter 2 or practical um, or chapter 1 from the practical book. Bye!